understanding compilation, and little more a challenges number representation. And if you want to learn this computer organization, it's the edge of software and more about bus arbitration. You still write code, but it's actually just a logic gate combination. It's understood that we do computer organization. Pay attention very well to break the spell of failing. Understanding computers end to end is where he's aiming. First time very long, hardware soft core, computer organization, computer organization. Many of us spinning costs of KC and enjoyed his education. A discussion in the kitchen inside me assists procrastination. A coffee isn't long enough for KC's determination. And now he leaves for Sweden looking for some recreation. Planning to travel around through the streets singing songs from station to station. Songs of family files and computer organization. Now he simply knows who is the best